templates are a great way to showcase your creative skills and earn money on TikTok. They are easy to make and even easier to sell. Choose a niche that you are familiar with and create templates that will add value to that particular audience. This will increase your chances of sales. Use tools like Canva or Photoshop to create templates that are visually appealing and easy to customize. Ensure that your templates are easy to use and understand. Use TikTok to showcase your templates and promote your brand. Provide a link to your template shop and ensure that your designs are priced competitively. Keep creating and honing your skills to continue growing your business. A niche is a specific area of focus that sets you apart from other sellers. To find it, ask yourself what type of digital templates you enjoy creating and who your ideal customer is. Look at competitors and see what types of templates they offer. Analyze what type of templates your customer base is looking for and their budget. Create templates with a specific theme or style that's different from what's already available in the market. Ask for feedback from potential customers to ensure you're meeting their needs. Utilize social media, email marketing, and paid ads to reach your target audience. Share your templates with influencers to gain exposure. Continuously monitor your marketing efforts to see what's working and make adjustments as needed. Templates can save time and ensure brand consistency. Start by selecting a platform and a design software. Do research for inspiration and create a wireframe. There are many platforms available such as Canva, Adobe Spark, and Pictochart. Choose a platform that fits your work style and offers templates that meet your requirements. Popular software includes Adobe InDesign, GIMP, and Sketch. Research and select the software that aligns with your design goals and abilities. Sketch out a framework for your template and determine the layout. Begin designing by using dedicated graphics and elements to enforce brand consistency throughout. Finally, customize the template with your unique touch and then utilize it for all future projects. Designing your digital template is an opportunity to get creative and make your piece stand out. Stick to a consistent color scheme and font selection, use high-quality images, and aim for simplicity in your design. Less is often more when it comes to effective design. Choosing a color scheme that complements your brand and message is crucial in creating an attractive template. Similarly, selecting a font that is easy to read and consistent throughout the design adds harmony and elegance to your piece. Incorporating high-quality images into your design adds a level of professionalism and sophistication to your piece. Use images that are relevant and eye-catching to capture your audience's attention. Avoid pixelated or stretched images, as these can negatively impact the overall quality of your design. Digital templates have become popular in recent years, but determining the right price point can be tricky. Here are some pricing strategies to consider to help you earn the most revenue while keeping your customers happy. Research other sellers offering similar digital templates and determine a fair price based on theirs. Make sure to take into account the value you offer compared to theirs to get an idea of where you stand in the market. Offer multiple pricing tiers with different features or levels of access to your template. This way, customers can choose the option that best fits their needs and budget. Test different price points and packages to find the sweet spot that maximizes revenue. TikTok's visual format allows you to get creative with how you showcase your digital templates. Experiment with different video styles like tutorials, time lapses, and more. Music is a huge part of the TikTok experience. Take advantage of this by finding the right soundtrack to set the mood for your template. Use popular songs and sounds to engage with the TikTok community. Collaborating with other creators on TikTok is a great way to showcase your digital templates to a larger audience. Find other creators who share your niche and collaborate on videos that showcase both of your talents. Use the tools available on TikTok to create captivating content. Play with colors, fonts, and music to elevate your template into a work of art. Experiment with different styles and see what works best for you. Work with other TikTok creators who have a similar audience or niche to yours. Create duets or challenges that show off your template and encourage others to use it. This is a great way to gain exposure and grow your following. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and DMs. Create a community by encouraging others to use your template and sharing their content. Host Q&A sessions and ask for feedback. This will help you grow your following and improve your content. Collaboration can be as simple as teaming up with another creator for a social media takeover or sharing each other's work on your respective platforms. Collaborate with other creators by writing guest blog posts for their website or inviting them to write for yours. Make sure to choose sites that cater to your target audience. Invite another creator to take over your Instagram account for a day or vice versa. This is a great way to showcase each other's work to your audiences and build relationships with other creators in your industry. Collaborate with another creator to create a digital product such as an ebook, course, or printable. This allows you to combine your skills and expertise to create something unique that appeals to both of your audiences. Using specific, relevant hashtags is key. Consider industry-specific tags, trending topics, and brand hashtags. Use up to 5 per post. Use online tools, analyze your content, and test different tags to see what works best. Don't overuse or use irrelevant hashtags. Participate in Twitter chats, crowdsource from followers, and don't use hashtags just for the sake of using them. Using effective hashtags for your brand can transform your visibility, audience reach, and growth. Stop guessing, start researching and testing today. Having a larger following means that more people are exposed to your product, increasing the chances of a sale. Consider using tactics such as social media ads or collaborating with influencers to expand your reach. Be sure to post content that aligns with your brand and is relevant to your target audience. Use hashtags and post at peak times to maximize reach. Also, don't forget to engage with your followers through comments and direct messages. Encourage your followers to share their experiences with your product or service and then share their content on your social media platforms. This shows potential customers that your brand is authentic and trusted by others.